Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. We are back with new innovative videos. We have gone through many videos on React.js like introduction to React.js, then CSS styling with React.js. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go through the first file, that is app.js. Import React from React. It is used for if you want to use the code that is available in another directory. Then another statement, next statement, bootstrap is used, each component is built from scratch. Then form component where our JavaScript file resides. Then function app, then returns form component, custom email validation. Export default app, that means we have to return only one value. Now we will see another file, that is form component file. Here import React from React, then email state, that is we have to type email. Then class form component is a very useful component of the React.js and it is extended React component. Then constructor, super to call the parent constructor, email state, then on change event. Then here we have used the regular expression to perform validation of the email, and state email and regular expression, if doesn't matches, then email and the regular expression this doesn't matches, then email is not valid, otherwise email is true. And at the last, console login state, email state, and returns email, form control, and this thing. Button, we are using submit button, dark, and on submit, same export default form component. Now we will see the CSS file. Here color is this, and then all about that. Now we will execute the program. Yes, now I will type the email address, sachin@gmail.com. okay, now it is telling okay. Now what I will do, yes @gmail.com. now we will check, yes, fine. Then Sachin@gmail.com. yes, it is saying email is invalid. So we are successfully done with email validation using React.js. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have taken more efforts to create this video. Thank you.